Hi, alright guys, just a quick update on the honeybee swarm from yesterday. Well, it's still here this morning, so I gave Sid, the beekeeper, a call, and he came over in about half an hour and collected it, and this is how he did it. So what they do now then, Sid, with no queen sort of thing?
In this one?
Yeah.
With as long as the queen's in there.
Oh, I got you. Yeah.
They'll all
Well, you got to look for her later on?
Well, I'll see how they're behaving, I'll be able to tell if she's in there. If
right.
They're all going into the box.
Yeah, looking after it, yeah.
She's in there.
Yeah. What's the water do, Sid?
Persuade them to go in a little bit.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, if they think it's raining, they'll try
Yeah.
try and shelter a bit. Just speeds things up a little bit.
What will the ones do that aren't that don't make it into the box then? They go back in the old hive?
I'll leave the box up here.
Ah, I got you, okay.
Yeah.
Brilliant, I see, yeah.
I'll set the box up somewhere there.
Yeah.
I'll leave it here this evening, strap it all up,
Yeah.
door open, and this evening come up
Brilliant.
and move it to
Yeah.
one of the other spots probably. But in fact, I'll probably move it to one of the other spots before I leave so that they know where they are.
Brilliant, mate. Well, that's me finished filming then.
No worries.